guys, how are you doing? As you read from the title, today I am unboxing my Love with Food box, and I feel like I just did this really recently, maybe like a week or two ago, but yesterday I just got not one, but two of the tasting boxes in the mail as a surprise. I was not expecting this. So both of these are the tasting box, so this is the most affordable option. If you're unfamiliar with Love with Food, this is a snack subscription. So you get healthy snacks, and also when you purchase through them, you also give back to the community. So they will donate food to those who are hungry. So it's an awesome, awesome subscription. They have different options. They have a gluten-free option as well as a deluxe size option. So they're a little bit more expensive than this one. This one's $7.99 per month. And I do have a code to get 40% off the deluxe box. I believe that's normally $19.99 a month, but with my code you can get it for $11.99. So I have not looked at what's inside these. I don't know if each one has the same items or different items, so I guess we'll find out. All right, so I'm gonna start with this one. So when I open it, this is what the box looks like, and it says, "Thank you, you are awesome. This box helped in the fight against world hunger." And it says, "Love snacking smart, spread the word." So I love this subscription for finding healthy snacks. So everything in here is good for you ingredients. It's all supposed to be healthy. So this is a great way to find out items you may love. And I'm looking at this right now, and it looks exactly the same as the last box I got. So I'm not sure if this is the same. I'm just gonna open the other one. Let's see if they're both the same. Because when I got my last box, that was because someone used my referral link. And yep, so these are both exactly the same. So I'm just gonna show you the inside of one of them, and I'm pretty happy because I have used up every single item but one. So I'm sorry if you already saw my last video. I did not realize these would be the same, but honestly, I tried everything but one thing so far, like I said, and it is awesome. So let me go through it. So the first two things that I'm super excited to have again are these Awake Milk Chocolate Bites. So each of these has half a cup of coffee, so 50 milligrams. So they say a full cup of coffee and averages 100 milligrams of caffeine. So this is made with milk chocolate, and it looks like some caffeine and soybean oil. So it's pretty straightforward. So there is some dairy in here, and it says usage 4 pieces per day maximum. They are super, super good. So that is the packaging, which is also super cute. And then the next thing is a protein bar. This is the best bar ever, real food bar and chocolate peanut butter, and this was super good. This is actually a good thing that I'm going through the box again with you. I can tell you my thoughts on every product. So this bar tastes just like how it says, chocolate peanut butter. Yeah, I'm glad I got this last week too, so it's kind of fresh in my memory. Even though I must admit, I ate it all pretty quickly. I'm pretty hungry when I open these boxes, like it's right before dinner. I was gonna film this earlier, but my smoke detector alarm, like the battery was low and it was going off every 15 seconds. I knew that would drive you guys crazy if I filmed it, because it happened before in the room next to me, and I am too sure I have high ceilings, so I couldn't reach it, but my friend just came over. They're actually downstairs right now, and they brought a step ladder, and we were able to get it down, just took the battery out, so I'll just replace it later. But anyways, yeah, so this is a high protein bar made of real food, non-GMO, nothing artificial, and gluten-free. Let's see, I can't remember how much protein's in here. 10 grams of protein. So I love this stuff, especially now that I'm starting to work out. This will come in handy. I really am like realizing I don't eat too much protein because I'm a vegetarian, so I need to have more stuff like this if I'm going to continue working out. So the next protein bar in here is also peanut butter chocolate, but this is different. It has more of like a rice texture, if that makes sense. So let's see if it explains it better on here. It says, what is Tone It Up? We created Tone It Up to help women lead their healthiest, happiest, and most confident lives. After meeting at the gym and becoming friends over coffee and yoga dates, we had an overwhelming feeling that we could build something amazing together. So it looks like 2 women build this company, which is awesome. So this is made, the first ingredient here is a protein blend. They use pea protein and rice starch, and then they use tapioca, syrup, rolled oats. Looks like a bunch of good stuff. Nothing sticks out as bad, so it's made of all whole ingredients, it looks like, so that is great. And I remember this tasting really good, and this also has 10 grams of protein, so I like both of these. I can't really remember what I like both because they have such different texture. Like this is like that protein bar, like typical like chewy texture, and this is more crunchy. And the next thing is a fruit to go apple strawberry bar. So that is what this looks like. And this is like a typical fruit bar. I really like these. I think they taste good. I normally don't purchase them for myself, but I do like them. So this is gluten-free, nut-free, and vegan. It tastes more strawberry than apple, I would say. But it's really good, quick snack. No fat, only 50 calories. You get a teeny bit of vitamin C, but I think really the only ingredients are the fruits. So yeah, apple concentrate, apple and pear concentrate. That's it. So this is really just like all fruit bar. So I like these types of things. Get a little serving of fruit in. And then the next thing I see is the one item I did not try yet. This is the ghee butter. I still have this in my pantry. I've yet to use it, so I don't really have any feedback to give on this. But this is like a lactose-free butter alternative. So what does it say? It says ghee on the go, pure spreadable butter. So it has natural source of omega fatty acids, butyric acid, vitamin K, medium and short chain triglycerides, certified paleo, gluten-free, non-GMO, and kosher dairy. So you want to glance at that. And that is the packaging. So this is easy on the go, but honestly, I never have used butter on the go before. Have you guys? Anyway, the next thing I see is the Hub's home cooked salted Virginia peanuts, the single serving power pack. And this is just like salted peanuts, tastes good, just what you would expect peanuts to be. And I love having nuts as a protein source. How much protein is in this? 7 grams, so that's a good source. And then the next item is what my favorite one was, and the first thing I ate last time I got this. This is the Kettle brand potato chips, the jalapeno flavor, and I love jalapeno chips. Like if I'm gonna get chips or eat chips, this is the flavor I always go for. So this is 150 calories, 9 grams of fat. It's made of natural ingredients, non-GMO, gluten-free, no preservatives, 0 grams of trans fat. So these were awesome, love them. Highly suggest them if you like jalapeno flavors. All right, and I think this is the last item, yep. So the last thing is ZZ Strawberry Grams Whole Grain cookies. So these are like animal crackers kind of with a strawberry flavor, and they're whole grain, and they're like these cute little character shapes. You can see on the back. And they taste a lot better, and they taste like they're made from better ingredients. So it says it's made from whole grain compared to like animal crackers. Like that's just what they remind me of because they're shaped like animals, I guess. But they do taste like strawberry, but it's really good. And this is like a healthy alternative to cookies, I would say. There are 120 calories per serving, 4 grams of fat, 2 grams of protein. Glancing through the ingredients quick, it looks like it's made of all good stuff. It's made in a nut-free facility, so if you have children or you also, you know, I know peanut allergies are on the rise with young ones. This is a good thing to have. You can hand out at like little kid events and stuff like that, or adults too. But yeah, so it looks like these both have the exact same thing. So this must be like their bonus box, and you know, I'm not gonna lie, I'm happy I got both of these because I liked everything. So I'm super excited to try this out. Thank you to everyone who signed up through my link. If you're interested in the deluxe box and trying healthy snacks, that link will be down below. And if I continue to receive more of these boxes, I'm definitely gonna have a giveaway. I'm not sure how that really works with food giveaways. It'd probably have to be United States only, but I'll look into it. But yeah, if I continue to get these boxes, I think they're so good and I would love to share it with one of you guys. So sorry if this is really repetitive. At least I could tell you that everything did turn out tasting great. Still have to try that ghee butter, but yeah. If you guys have any ideas of how to use this, please let me know. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.